Kaya pag ikaw, alagat bats. Ba't mo lang mo lang. Oo, kita daw. Baka kanya nadalamin. Kitaan yan, ha? Nag-prepare ka rin. Wala ko mga pala-sunod tayo siya. Wala ko ang bola, hindi ito maubos. Ipain mo ang bola, kung naibig mo ang bola, buang ka. Kaya naman wala mo ang bola. Klaro sa buwan bola. Kaya pagsugat mo, ipain mo ang bola, at hindi mo na ito. Animal ka. Maulul ka na eh. Dali ka to. Ay, nawala. Upaw. Kay pag-uuyag pala kagulo. Ipapaunan mo lang ikaw. Tatawag tripper eh. Para magsumapal pag-tripper. Pero may papaunan mo lang ito. Balpag tripper. Pa namin.
No. Okay, mag-start na tayo. Start na tayo sa ating ball game, second game. Alpha versus Delta. Our referees for today's video of Sergeant De La Cruz from Team Delta and Staff Sergeant Halong from Team Bravo. Wala.
Wala na tayong masing ha. Technical agad ha.
Yan! Wala nang intro yung iba. Technical agad sir. Kampol. Oh! Wala pang 3 seconds. Pump na agad. First foul on Staff Sergeant Banyadora. First personal foul, first team foul. Sarap mo yung tuloy. Drop foul, rebound by Cacho. Cacho pat. Arizala.
Jumper.
Hello. Yan. Amoyo pass to group commander to Sir Samson. Sergeant Samson nagkatala ng bola. Driving the ball. Contested shot. Foul. Traveling violation. May kasama bang ticket?
Kapabalik lang yung galing Olympics eh. Kita pa.
Ang Alpha ang antidepensa ngayon. Palacio. 4-3.
Group.
Last ball team, Alpha. Arizala. Nagdadala ng bola. Block 17. Anong gagawin? Block 17. Oh, ang bilis ng galaw. Parang nag-relax. Wala yung sa little goal. Oh, dito.
Yan, sana mo yung foul.
Foul on Sergeant Amoyo with his first personal foul. I'm remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds for our first quarter. Pass to Palacio. Rubber pass to line. Knock outside.
Tae!
Ay! Maintain lang, ganun.
Kalma la. Pinanigalingan mo.
Bigay lang sa referee pag babalik mo.
Ay, puto.
Tinawaan. May sira ito. Ano bang? Ito naman.
Boy na ulit. First Samoyo pass to Glock 17. Glock 17 drive. Reverse layup is good by Glock 17 Arizala. Pero pass to Sir Palacio with a steal. Sir Palacio dadala ng bola agad. Boom, tarat. Lo. Okay na ulit. I'm remaining 5 minutes, 25 seconds for first quarter. Pass to Sir Ramos. Boarding, may gusinobra. Tara na rin kay Arizala. Arizala, dagalang bola. Mabilisan, pinasa kay Wrangler. Pass to Arizala ulit. Nice layup by Arizala. The Glock 17 challenge.
Kapit ka, Chok. Kapit lang. Ikaw, duha na ng 3-pointer, boss.
Lalim! Back!
Yan.
Oras! 3 minutes, 50 seconds!
Tatlo.
Kasi di mo high school ang nadalagan, ano? Tawaran ni mo batasan. Yang ka man.
Patay na naman. Points lang muna ngayon. Mamaya, 3 points.
Okay. Play.
Good, sir. Good.
Tama na yun.
Chat. Good. 3 points.
Dalagan, dalagan. Last 2 minutes.
Ayaw! Close up, boys!
Mapili ka, Chow. Ay! Unlucky, Bob. 1 minute remaining. Okay. 15 seconds. Running time 2. 10. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Agbaintinos logod. Agbaintinos logod.
Hey, pause us. No.
Number muna.
Mamaya daw sir sa ano, halftime show. Halftime show. Mag-ano daw siya, parang Carlos Dulo. Matamblingan.
Cartwheel, bro, cartwheel.
Cartwheel na may kasama bang back wheel. Start of second quarter. Score 22-15 in favor of Alpha. Wala kayo. Seramoyo, pinasa kay Sergeant Runner. Back to first, Moise. Back to Sir Palacio, pinasa kay Seramoyo. Seramoyo, nagdala mga red. Pasok! Sa grand finals. Violation. And then our referees from Paris Olympics.
Play!
Referee's decision is superior. Pass to Arizona. Glock 17 challenge. Pass to Cacho. Training Cacho. Nice one. Training Cacho. Training. Foul. Who's foul, sir? Foul on Glock 17. With his first personal foul. Second team.
Sideline.
Okay. to Herman Ardales. Pull up jumper is good. Grabe ka naman doon, Ardales. Fresh from duty. Arizala dadala ng bola. Hanap ng papasana. Silaw at pinasa kay Sergeant Wrangler. To Herman Training Cacho. Pero nice steal ni Ardales. Ardales to Sir Tarzan. Tarzan pinasa kay Rendon. Rendon Labador. Aldona. Pinasa kay Tarzan. Si Sir Tarzan. Pinasa kay Rendon. Rendon. Effective layup is good. What a back pass. Pero Moyo, pinasa kay Sir Palacio, muntikan pang manakawan. Pinasa kay Glock 17, pass to Sergeant Wrangler. Wrangler with a teardrop sa may guitar, na-rebound si Rendon. Rendon Labador, napabantay, na-rebound, nabigay kay Sir Pitaka. Sir Pitaka, nadala ng bola. Pass to Group Commander for 3.
Yeah. Ah, bola.
Arizala. Uy, ang bilis ng galaw. Parang nag-grab lang si Clark 9. Pero na-rebound ni April ni Sir Pitaka. Sir Pitaka pass to Ardales. Ardales. Agay, nabutog. Na-steal ni Tarzan. Tarzan, behind the back. Ang bilis. Pinasa kay Sir Ramos. Sir Ramos to Rendon Labador. Pulang jumper. It's good. Glock 17, nagdadala ng bola. Glock 17. Uy! No foul doon. No foul. Rebound by Sir Samson to Sir Pitaka with the reverse layup. Pass to Sir Palacio. Sir Palacio fake pass. Pull up jumper. One shot. Rebound by Arizala. Glock 17. Glock 17. Pinasa kay Sir Wrangler na free throw. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Sir Coco. Ramos pinasa kay Sergeant Samson. Where's Samson? Pinasa kay Sir Ramos. Sir Ramos layup. Basic. Base 1 para basic. Uncontested layup. Arizala dadala ng bola. Arizala dadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Sergeant Wrangler. Sergeant Wrangler to first. Amoyo. Pull up jump. Medyo sumobra pero rebound. Rebound by Sir Goku. Sir Goku to Sir Samson. Pass to Ardales. Medyo sumobra ang pass na Sir. Outside. Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds for our second quarter. After my score. Pull up jumper. Grabe naman using the glass by Glock 17. Rendon Labador. Dadala ng bola. Disparte. Pumasok si Rendon. Pinasa kay Ardales. Pull up jumper is good. Substitution. Substitution. Sergeant Remendo in. Push out. Sir Amoyo out. Sino nag-sub? Okay. Back to the ball game. Glock 17. Glock 17. Grabe ang tingin na. Ito ay kontra kay Sir Samson. Pero nag-try si Arizala. Speed move. Helicopter. Grabe naman. Grabe naman doon. Sheesh.
Baksa!
Ardales. Rebound ng Sergeant Wrangler. Sergeant Wrangler. Hinahabol ni Sir Tarzan. Sir Tarzan. Nang bubuntot pa din. Mukhang manakaw. Pinasa kay Ardales. Manakaw ang Ardales. Pinasa kay Sir Pitaka. Sir Pitaka. Kaya ng bola. Now still. Still. Good. Stolen by Ernie Cacho. Ernie Cacho to Arizala. Arizala dadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Sergeant Remendo. Sir Remendo for 3. Ilista mo na ang rebound ni Cacho. Time remaining, 4 minutes. Full jumper by first and second by Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Mamaya, pag nag-score na ano. Pag nag-score ng Alpha. Okay, Sir Samson, basic layup. Substitution. Penosa in. Block 17 is out muna. Kaya muna at nag-overhit na ang chamber. Yung ball. Muntikan. El Palacio. Pinasa kay Sergeant Wrangler. Pass to Penosa. For the win! Rebound by Sergeant Pitaka. Pitaka to Sir Goku. Sir Goku. Turendo ng taas ng talon. Pinala kay Ardales. With that layup. 2 points for Alpha. Time remaining 3 minutes. Sir Palacio po, take 3. Ito, Sir Remiendo, tumingin na po. Ikaw na. 3 by Sergeant Remiendo. Samson, Turendo, grabing alip yun, pero ikaw niya pa din. Outside pass to Sir sa Kalong. Outside. Same ball.
Bang,
Sir Goku for 3. Rebound by Sir Palacio, dadala ng bola. Sir Palacio. Pinas. Same ball.
Wala!
Layup is good. Substitution. Aguas. In. Sir Pinaka out. Ito na si Aguas. Oras, 1 minute and 33 seconds for our second quarter. Pass to Sir Palacio. Pumasok. Basic layup, veterans mo, pero rito ni Sir Goku. Sir Goku, gagalang mo, pinasa kay Tarzan. Sir Tarzan, Tuangales. Pass to Sergeant Wrangler. Sir Wrangler, nababantayan ng tubig. Ang tubig, Aguas. Anong gagawin? Sir Palacio, back to Sir for 3. Rebound by Sir Palacio. Pinasa kay Cacho. Cacho. Nice one. Mabilis ang iyong mata. Time remaining 50 seconds. Rendon. Sir Goku for 3. Rebound by Ardales. Back to Sir Goku. Rendon to Ardales. Pull-up jumper. Contested shot. Rebound by Sir Palacio. Talagang bola. Sir Palacio. Paso ay iniwasan ni Menosa. Time remaining 20 seconds. Running time 2. Cacho, wag mong pumukan. 8, 9, 7, pull-up jumper. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice shot by Sergeant Remiendo beating the batter. Sobrang basic. End of first half. Now time for halftime show by Airwoman Rita.
Third quarter. Pasok. Madilim na, madilim.
Wala nang halftime show. Mag-alasing ka na. Part of third quarter na tayo.
Bola dito. Isipan niya duro para Okay na, oras? Third. Oh, decision. Decision na, play. Press.
Rebound by Rosa. Rebound by Sergeant Pitaga. To Serpanadora. Ang bola. Oh, three. Rebound by Rendon. Same ball. Rendon. Anong gagawin ni Rendon? Pinasa ka Aguas. Nice one na rebound. Tumira ng tres. Boom! Nag-country ka na. Pero ang galing-ganda ng pasa mo. Tubig. First Amoyo. For three. Ay, Aguas. Grabe naman sa una. Amoyo. Kasama ang foul. Shooting foul. Who's foul, sir? First foul. Aguas.
Side.
Shooting foul.
Dalawa.
First shot. Air ball.
Ako tinatawag na gaba.
Siya.
Second shot. Sumobra naman. Rebound. By Rendon. Long pass. Kuresama. Nagtang. Grabe naman. Pinag-easy 2 by Resama. Veterans move. Napaka-basic. Yung pitaka, gagawin bola pumasok, mukhang may butas nakita. Rebound by Trini Cacho to Herman Arizala, nagdadala ng bola, papasok, nice steal ni Rendon Labador, ng bola, pasa kay Sir Panadora, pasa kay Sir Pitaka, napakaganda ng play doon. Sir Palacio, tumira ng tres. Boom! Airball. Time remaining 7 minutes 15 seconds. Time out. Team Delta. Time out.
Sablang, walang time out, sablang. Oh, para hindi nagabi.
Sab. Sablang daw, sab. Okay na yung sub, sir. Sino yung sub, sir? Okay na. There, Boy, pass to Rendon. Wow!
Basta humawa.
Ready Cacho with his first personal foul. Rendon. Uy, grabe naman. Napakahirap mo. Kaya ipasok ni Rendon. Using the muscle. Arizala, dadala ng bola. Dadala ng tao. Pinasa ka Sir Amoyo. Nagdadala ng bola with the 3-days passes to Penosa. Grabe ka naman, Penosa. Grabe naman doon. Basic layup, Mala Jordan ang logo. Just Robert ng Seramoyo. Seramoyo. Dadala ng ball. Diskarte. Dadala ng bola. Bola number. Na-air na naman. Sir Billy Boy to Sir Bañadora. Pull up jumper, rebound by First Amoyo. Dadala ng bola. Sir Amoyo pull up jumper, babawi. Rebound by Rendon, dadala ng bola. Grabe ang pasa doon. Pinasa kay Twenty Kato to Sir Amoyo. Dadala ng bola. Pitiran!
Kapal na naman!
Sir Amoyo! Blocked by his own teammate.
Kamu siniserigasan nga.
Ay, distract mo yan!
Pass to Sergeant Pitaka. Sir Pitaka. Uy! Between the legs, pass to Sir Ranas. Uy! Grabe naman! Kitang-kita ang gigil.
Magis pa niya. Magis pa niya.
Billy Boy. Pass to Rendon. Music. Grabe naman. Nag-squat na sa ere. Okay ka lang? Okay daw siya. Rebound by Rizala. Mabilis ang layup. Not good. Pass to Sir Billy Boy. Belisario. Dadala ng bola. Uy! Grabe! Eurostep out at the base. Eurostep sa top 8.
Step sa mga sinatuhod.
Sergeant Wrangler Portray using the glass. Good. 3 points. Sergeant Wrangler. Rendon to Sir Bañadora. Fake. Using the glass. Veteran move. Napaka-basic. Sir Amoyo dadala ng bola. First point. 4 minutes remaining. Sir Amoyo. Shake and bake. Mayo. Outside. Ano, sir?
Boys, wala ka na magpasab.
Ikaw ba? Hilaw ba?
Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. What an alley-oop! Out! Time out in Alpha. Time remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Score 56-41 in favor of Team Alpha. That time check was brought to you by Top 8 Water, the official water ng Top 8.
Oh, good. Yan, boss, very good. Yan, yan lang.
Sergeant Bañadora, madala ng bola. Pinasa kay Sir Goku. Binalik kay Sir Bañadora. Take 3. Pinasa kay Sir Billy Boy. Basic! Under the water. Last 3 minutes. So our third quarter. Sir Palacio. Tuloy ang press, papunta kay Sir Ranas, 4-3, finish na mo na yan! By Sergeant Wrangler, 4-3!
Nakashoot ito.
Sir Bañador to Sir Goku, pumasok, napaka-basic pero rebound ni Arizala, pushing the ball, foul on Sir Belisario with his kailan po na
Dalawa.
first personal foul.
Donate ko pa yung lima ko dyan.
First shot, bad. Boss. Second shot, bad kihap. Rebound by Sir Banyadora. Rolling pass to Sergio Ardales. Behind the back pass. Pero nagbawi ulit Ardales. Ardales pass to Sir Billy Boy. Sir Billy Boy. Inidiskarte. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Stolen by Benosa. Benosa to Sergeant Wangler. Yusef. May kasama pang gigil. Rebound by Ardales. Ardales. May nadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Sir Billy Boy. Sir Billy Boy. 4-3. Bad rebound by Sir Amoyo. Sir Amoyo to Sir Palacio. Palacio, dadala ng bola. Pagka-basic, pero narinig na score na steal. Na-steal ulit kay Sir Palacio.
Ilabas. Nice, sir.
Basic, losing the glass. Pass to Aguas. Aguas, tubig. Aguas na tubig. Nalistil ni Sir Wrangler. Wrangler. What a crossover! Iwan! Pati pamilya mo pa! Grabe naman yun! Tinrap ka rin pumasok.
Iwanan pati si Mami.
Sir Banyadora, dadala ng bola. Sir Banyadora, pass to Sir Goku. Sir Goku, pass to Aguas. Aguas! Hindi niya na-anticipate yung pasa na yun. Pass to Wrangler. Wrangler, dadala ng bola. Pass to Penosa. Penosa. Penosa, pinasa kay Sir Banyadora, 4-3. Yun lang ang lucky bounce. Nakuha ni Ardales. Ardales, titira ba? Pinasa kay Sir Goku. Sir Goku. Rebound by Sir Amoyo. Sergeant Amoyo. Pass to Sir Palacio. Good. Dadala mo. Uy, take. Uy, anticipate. 30 seconds.
Oh, stepping ha.
4-3. Ayan. Rebound by Sir Billy. Pass deflected by Neo. 20 seconds. Herman Arizala. Clock 17. Shot. Rebound by Sir Banyadora. 10 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pasok yun! Four points yun kasi teardrop sa tres.
Oh, walang pahinga. Parang. Sige. Request. Pahinga muna. 1 minute. Nasira yung mga 3 points mo dyan. Napabantayan. Nasira yung mga 3 points mo.
We'd like to thank our sponsors for this game. Novate Motors. Thank you, Novate Motors. Okay, back to the ball game.
Fourth quarter.
Game na agad. Game na. Dahil pagkatapos nito, diretso tayo sa LML.
Araw. Dito.
Pumasok na ang star player ng Alpha,
Yung start nila.
Arden Jetro Lopez. Ang Abidaw.
Ranks, tabi ka dyan.
Alis, labas na siya. Pasok. Pumasok si Sir.
Andi sir, kay.
Wala si ano, si Rans.
Tama sir. Alas ka dyan, Rangs. Isa rin daw sir.
Arden Tremendo, 4-3. Wala nang inuit pa ba? Ilis na mo yan. Arden Tremendo with his second 3. At isang panahon na yun. Sergeant Walker. Pass deflected. Pass to Arizal. Ang bilis ko. Sabi ko, parang kang nag-grab. Arizala with the basic 2. Hindi na running time, sir. Fourth quarter na to, hindi na running time. Pass to Sergeant Pitaka. Sabi naman yun. Grabe, behind the back. Arizala, dyan na naman bola. Pinasa kay Sergeant Rendendo. What's the goal? Kicking violation by Sergeant Lopez.
Technical, pinapal yung organizer. Technical, pinapal yung organizer.
Sir Kapili. 4-2. Pass to Arizala. Rebound. Foul. Who's foul?
26.
Who's foul?
Number 26.
May umami na. Foul, Sergeant Lopez. First personal foul.
Kahit malayo ko, hindi ko lahat ng pound.
First basket is good. Second basket is bad. Sige, wala na.
Bitawan.
Flagrant foul. Bantayan nyo na. Alam nyo na sino yung babantayan nyo. Titira na. Si Sergeant Wrangler. Rebound by Sir Belisario. Super Tarzan. Marcus Cuatras. Sayang. Hindi mo na-calculate. Hindi nagawa yung Islam dunk contest.
Yan yung laro kasi nilalaro.
Sergeant Wrangler to Sergeant Pili. Rebound by Sergeant Pitaka. Sergeant Pitaka pass to Sergeant Tarzan with an easy goal. Arizala, dadang bola. Clock 17. Full of jumper. Pero na rebound. Put back ni Troy Nicacho. Nice one. Rebound. What a pass. Uy, grabe nga naman yun. Ito na. Pinang kay Sergeant Remendo. Pangatlo na ba yan? Tuloy-tulangan pero pasa pa rin kay Nicacho. Pero na rebound. Tape up. Alpha ball. Sir Jackson, grabe ng bola. Manang Sergeant Lopez. Bumira ng Cruz. Foul on Sergeant Pitaka. Kitang-kita sa CCTV.
Legal screen.
Nawala sa picture.
Sir Kapili, jumper. What a crossover! Sergeant Lopez. Sergeant Lopez, ito na yun. Grabe pasa kay Sergeant Remendo. Yun yan. Aquiles, kamukha ng tres. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Score 63-60. Rebound by Sergeant Samson. Sergeant Samson, laban ng bola. Behind the back. Pull up pass to Sir Pitaka with the easy reverse layup.
Sige, uyak pa.
I'm out by Team Rook. Game na agad.
Pwede tayo running time.
Seconds lang. Hindi sir, bumalik lang dito. Game na ulit. Hey!
Sergeant Wrangler contested 3. Boarding. Rebound by Arizala. Pull back. Nice one. Rebound back. Last ball. Last touch. Rendon. Kitang-kita sa CCTV.
Play!
Herman Arizala. Nadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Sergeant Wrangler 3. Rebound by Arizala pa din. Arizala. Hindi mo na. Outsiders. Ref's decision is final. Team ball, Team Delta. Oh.
Win!
Kaso to Arizala. Pinasa kay Sarmiento. Ramos for 3. Kung lang. Rebound. Rebound kay Serpitaga. To Sir Samson. Sir Samson nagdadala ng bola. Torreto. Pinalik kay Sir Samson. Pero ang daming tao. Pinasa. Natamaan ng ang daming nangyari. Pero si Arizala nagpapag-squatra sa ere. Grabe ka naman. Serpitaga nagdadala ng bola. Pushing the ball. Basic layup, hindi masyado basic, hindi pumasok, rebound by Castro. Na-rebound na kuha ni Sergeant Wrangler. Dribble, padalang bola. Uy, grabe naman mga crossover move. Nakuha ni Sarmiento, pinalik kay Sir Wrangler. Teardrop on my guitar. Pero putback ni Castro. Grabe naman play ni Castro. Naglamang na ang Team Delta for information of everybody. Parang ganun lang. Lamang na ang Team Delta. Time remaining 6 minutes 10 seconds for our ball game. For 3. Rebound. Sir Billy Boy. Put back. Rebound by Erban Ercosing. Runner. Foul. Who's foul? Foul on Sergeant Belisario. With his second personal foul. Third team foul. Play ball. Fake.
Pasok ko naman ako!
Grabe. Dos lang. Dos, stepping the line. Nag-stepping Irwin the line. Okay. Ayun na. Yung presyon. Okay, presyon. Anis na nyo.
Magpayong ka na.
I-cancel na ang flight. Time out. Alpha. I-cancel na lahat ng mga flight at nag-uulan dito sa toob.
Sakto lang eh.
Ito na. Time remaining 5 minutes 23 seconds for our ball game. Score 65-71. What a comeback by Delta. Ito na. Lalaro na. Anong masabi ng Alpha? Drive si Sir Belisario. Rebound by Saramoyo. Good. Delta ball. Block 17. Pinasa kay Sergeant Wrangler. Dribble. Pinasa kay... Grabe tumira ng drive. Rebound ni Sir Belisario. Long pass po. Arizala ang pito. Para kung nagharap. Pinasa kay Sergeant Wrangler for 3. Rebound by Team Alpha. Pero nanakaw na naman ni Arizala. What a stealer. Pass to Kantoy. Kanto. Tinasa kay Igor Samson. Sir Samson, 2 versus 1. Grabe, inis na na yung goal. Sorry, it's my voice.
Side. Uy!
Time remaining 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Pass deflected by Sergeant Samson. Grabe naman yun. Ang bilis ng try. Sir, putakan dadala ng bola. Pasok. Nakawan ni Sir Amoyo. 3 days passes to Sir Goku. Sir Goku nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Sir Belisario. Sir Belisario to Sir Litata with a basic 2. Nahulog ang scoreboard. Score 69-71. 2-point game lang. Pass to Sergeant Wagner. Tested 3. Rebound by Sir Belisario. To Ardales. Long 2. Basket is not good. Last ball. Cacho. Same ball. Alpha. Thrilling game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 59 seconds. 2-point game lang. Pasa kay Sir Samson. Sir Samson gusto mag-press. Pero yung kamay, yung paa nasa line. Grabe na. Iwan sa ere. Foul? Or last o out of bounds? Sir Goku. Susubukang mag-press. Ipinasok. Rebound by Sir Pitaka pero out of bounds. Sir Samson. Tarzan. Mabilisan. Play na to. Kailangan humawi. Maiwan sa ere. Yung bola nasa board lang. Arizala dadala ng bola. Oy! Depensahan. Nice. Jumper. Grabe ka naman, classmate. Time remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Huwag niyong subukan. Pass to Sergeant Wagner. Nagdadala ng bola. Ito na. Pinasa kay Sir Amoyo. First point. Basic pull-up jumper. Ardales. Makakabawal ba Sir Ardales? Foul! Shooting foul? Side lang. Side. Time remaining 3 minutes. 1 second. Score 69-75. Sir Belisario. First Samson back to Sir Belisario. Bola. Basic layup by Sir Belisario. Time remaining 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Sir Amoyo. Abang kay Sir Amoyo. Tira ng Christina sa kay Sir. Sir Amoyo. Grabe ka naman! Grabe talaga! I-cancel ang mga flight dito sa Tog. At umuulan ng tres. Pero bumabawi ba? Hindi po, rebound by Cacho. Arizala. Ibalik mo na. Alam mo kung sino umilit ang kamay.
Labas ba?
Arizala, pass to first place. Sir Amoyo. Kuntikan pa. Pinalit.
Pasok na!
Makinit pa.
Diretso.
Magkagagang sa system kaya no?
Foul. And 1. What a nice quick play. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Push foul. Arizala.
Bonus!
With a 3-point play. Substitution. Argent Pitaka. Yun lang. Rebound by First Amoyo to Arizala. Time remaining 1 minute and 57 seconds. Back to Arizala.
Wag!
Sir Amoyo. 2 are the closer. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knockout, knockout. Basket is not good. Nauna ang timer. Red ball with the whip post. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Score 75-78. We have a 3-point game. Wrangler, dadala ng bola, nababantay na. Triple defense. Foul on Red Dot. Itaas ang iyong kanang kamay.
Ilan na yung team pass?
Foul for 3. Sir Belisario, long pass to Sir Samson. Mabilis ang frame kaya. Pasok. Time out Team Delta. Oras 1 minute and 15 seconds. It is a 1-point game. Okay, game na ulit.
Warning na sir, warning na. Alpha.
Warning for penalty, Team Alpha. Arizala. Inbound. To Sir Ramos. Rebound by Sir Belisario. Sir Belisario. 1 minute remaining for our thrilling game. Sir Pitaka. Rebound by Arizala. Long pass to Sir Wrangler. But it's goal. Good. Walang foul. Maglaro lang kayo ng maglaro. Huwag kayong pumipito. Pull-up jumper is good. Penalty pa ay lumamang na. 79-78. Pumasok si Sergeant Wrangler. Foul on Edward Armendales. Penalty. 33 seconds remaining for our thrilling game ng Alpha at Delta. Basket lang good. Okay lang yan. Kalma lang sir.
Baksa. Pati na to. Kumiram.
Ang susi dyan ay si Sergeant Raimundo. Grabe naman yun! Small ball is working for Team Delta pero na-rebound ko din ng Twin Towers. Twin Towers, pass to Sir Samson. Pull-up jumper. Hindi good yun. Rebound by Sergeant Wrangler. Sergeant Wrangler to Arizala. Arizala ang nadala ng bola. Time remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of ball game. Alpha, sir, Alpha. Alpha with a score 79-78.
Sabi ko patay, pag tinasa, wala na ako.
Nice game, nice game.
Hindi, napuwersa siya kasi.
Pinasarap lang ang Team Delta.
7, 6. Tumingin ka pa kasi kaya no. Tumingin ka pa kay Rindo.
Okay, sir, our next game for today's video ay Mobile Legends.
Inabutan ni Pitaka yung kaya
And members, proceed na lang po tayo sa hapon.
Kaya sayang rin.
Sir.